What are the effects of reading overnight?
Uh, Reading overnight. Well, I mean, I do not think there's any negative effect to reading overnight, really. But just ensure that after you're done reading overnight, you take a break and you take a rest. But again, like it was said during the seminar, study hard for 20 minutes, take 5 minutes break, do another 20 minutes, take 5 minute break, continue like that till the time you want to sleep. Maybe you want to do 5 hours reading or whatever reading you want to do. If you do 25, 25, 25, you would realize that you go a long way. And after you're done reading for that long, you should take an extensive break. Sleeping, taking a break, taking a rest would really help your study, and it will help your assimilation better, and it would help you to comprehend even faster, and you get into a space where you are able to reflect upon the things you've read. But rest would only do that for you. So if you do not rest after you've done a night study, you might have different, maybe headaches, things like that. Yeah.